Our understanding of angles can be crucial as we build our skills into this new world of trigonometry. So to help us with some definitions so that we can all be on the same page all the time, bear with me as I help describe what angles look like. Angles are typically where I have two rays. In this case, I have a ray that's marked in blue and a ray that's marked in red, and they both meet at a common point called a vertex. In this case, the blue ray, funny, the blue ray, we're going to call our initial ray, and then the red one in this particular case is called the terminal ray or the terminal side. I think our book mostly says it's the initial side and the terminal side is what those are called. And then the angle in between is the angle that we'll be referring to. In this case, we'll use the designation theta, but we can use other variables as well, but theta will probably be one that's most common. Angles that are also in standard position, and that's a little bit different. This is not in standard position. However, over here, that is in standard position when I have the initial ray aligned with the x-axis. And then I can look at the angle from that perspective. So from here, from the initial side to the terminal side, I have some angle. In this case, we can call it maybe alpha or whatever we want to use. And so this angle, alpha, the terminal ray terminates in the second quadrant. And because we're moving counterclockwise, we're going to call that a positive angle. Yeah, which kind of leads to lead. There's positive angles. Can we have a negative angle? And yes, as we build our definitions, we can also have something called negative angles as well. And a negative angle, if you'll permit me, is any time that I'm going to go the reverse way around the coordinate plane. In that particular example, I moved clockwise around it, and maybe we'll call that, some angle beta or whatever it might be. This angle is in the third quadrant, and it's also a negative angle.